Hey everyone, I'm instructor Mike Lasko with the World Champion Center, and I'm going to go over break falling and standing in base for Jiu-Jitsu. So in order to do a good break fall, what I want to do, it goes in a few parts. The first part is I'm sitting down over my heels, all right? So that squat position is the first thing we're doing when I'm focusing on a break fall. Next is when I'm actually falling down on my back. So I'm going to sit down and then fall on my back, just like that, all right? Now, if I fall straight on my back or get tossed, that's a lot of impact on one target area, right? Right on my back, right over my spine. So what I want to do is I want to disperse that energy by smacking my arms and my hands palm side down to the ground. This will prevent me from getting hurt, instead sharing the impact along my whole backside, all right? So the next part is, remember, squat, fall on the back, and now I'm adding in that slap with the hands just as my back hits the ground. So it's all happening at the same time. Let's do it a little more fluid. So sit down, just like that. As soon as my back hits the ground, I extend those arms out and slap. Let's do it 2 more times. 2 and 3. Boom, just like that. All right, now to stand up correctly, if we're pretending that an opponent or in jiu-jitsu or in an altercation outside of the academy, I want to be able to distance myself from my opponent so that I can stand back up. And what's done there is stand in base. So I'm going to slap the ground, right? Boom, I'm on the ground now, I need to get up. My backside leg is the one that's going to extend out, pushing away at the shin of my opponent at the same side arm that I plant down to help myself get up. So if I slap down on the ground like this, left arm on the ground means left leg is extending out so I can step it behind me as I recover my stance. So let's do that again. Sit down, slap the ground, plant an arm. If I want to do this side, that means that it's this leg extending out to push away my opponent, keeping my hand up to protect myself as I shoot it back behind me and land so I can get away, keeping my hands up. Let's do that 3 times. Break fall, plant the hand, extend the foot, and stand up. 2. And escape. And 3. Break fall, stand in base. Just like that, and get away. All right, so that's how we do a good break fall to minimize damage from either a toss or a takedown, and then how to distance myself from my opponent as I stand back up.